What's the meaning of Anglophobic? Anglophobic. 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 Anglophobic.
Anglophobic is an adjective used to describe someone who has a strong aversion or fear towards England, English culture, or the English people. This term is often associated with individuals who hold negative prejudices or stereotypes against England and the English, and may even express hatred or hostility towards them. Such attitudes can create social tensions and lead to intercultural conflicts. It is important to recognize and challenge these biases to promote mutual respect and understanding between different groups of people.